Alright guys, here we go. 2018 Prizm 3-box break football. Number 2 Double D. Team owners, we got Arizona Kaput, Atlanta Pens. Baltimore Milkman, Buffalo Thomas. Carolina Penzito, Chicago Matty. Oh, Matty got CHI. Cincinnati Spears. Browns. We got Matthew M, I believe. Yes. We got Cowboys, Kathy. Denver, Thomas. Detroit, John. Green Bay, Milkman. Houston, Felix. Colts, Kathy. Jacksonville, Pens. KC, Kathy. Chargers, John. Rams, John. Miami. We got Tom. Minnesota, Peter. Patriots, Matt M. Saints, Pens. Giants, Moody. Raiders, going to Stamir. Eagles, Moody. Pittsburgh, Ram. 49ers, Thomas. St. Louis, Cards R Us. Tampa Bay. Penzito, Tennessee, McNally. Milkman, going to Redskins. And Jets, Moody. Wait, who did Matt? Oh, I'm sorry. Matty had Tampa Bay. Sorry about that. There we go. Matty with TB. Tell you, buddy. Good luck, guys. It is not tuberculosis. It is Tampa Bay. We got a hype card. Dak Prescott for the Cowboys. Another cool color card. Melvin Ingram for the Chargers. Uh-oh, there goes the Chargers. Supposedly no hits. 275. And we got Ito Smith rookie, Ryan Izzo for the Patriots. So Falcons and Patriots. And we got a cool PMG, Luke Kuechly, Carolina Panthers. Going to Penzito. Numbered to 99 on the Kuechly. I know the Chargers, dude. Break Ninja, I need to email him. Derwin James, Chargers. Josh Rosen for the Cards. We have a blue die cut Prizm. Christian McCaffrey for the Panthers again. What is up with Penzito? 199. Rookie Jerome Baker, Dolphins. Pittsburgh, James Washington. We got Instant Impact, Darius Geis for the Redskins. We have an orange die cut CJ Mosley for the Baltimore Ravens. Orange is the 249. Rookie Shaquem Griffin, Seahawks. Jamon Moore, Green Bay. Refractor Melvin Ingram for, guess who? The Chargers. And we got a refractor auto. Tennessee Titans, Harold Landry. We got Trey Quinn rookie, Dante Pettis. And some, I don't know if this is tie-dye or not. Justin Tucker, Baltimore. Kind of looks like it, but only 2 colors, I think. $275 on Justin for Baltimore. Rookie Josh Sweat, Deshaun Hamilton. And refractor, Roger Staubach, Hall of Fame for the Cowboys. Green and yellow, Doug Baldwin, Seahawks. $275. Rookie Bo Scarborough and Tremaine Edmonds for the Buff. And here we go with another auto. Numbered to 75. Cracked ice green, I guess. Denzel Ward for the Cleveland Browns. Again, numbered to 75. Josh Allen for the Bills. Justin Reed. Is that a good one for the Browns? Nice. Congrats, Browns. We got a red wave. Eric Weddle for Baltimore. And that's 149. Baltimore getting some hits. We got Darius Geis, Richie James for the 49ers. And we got hype for the Rams. Gurley, Todd. Blue die cut rookie, Royce Freeman, Broncos. Nice. Oregon Ducks, baby. And that is number to 199. Jaleel Scott, Isaiah Oliver. Jeez. Was Baker Mayfield the QB? Orange rookie Kalen Ballage for the Dolphins. Rookie orange. Wow. 249. Kerryon Johnson, Detroit. Armani Watts. There you go, Pawn Age. There you go, Pawn. Oh, what do we got? Pawn Age? Oh, I got excited. Pawn Age? Rookie, filthy, sick, jersey auto, Saquon Barkley. Number to 99 for the Giants. If you want some, come get some. So we just got a base card. This Barkley is just a base. There we go. That is a nice base card. And New York Giants, Moody. Nice, Mood. Mark Walton and Marcel Aitman. What a box. That was a sick box, guys. For one box, that was pretty dope. There's Milk. Cortland Sutton. Rookie introductions. Broncos. PMG. Tremaine Edmonds. Buffalo Bills. /99. Looks like the 13-14 Precious Metal Gems. Christian Kirk and Roquan Smith. For Maddie. We got a rookie, Jerome Baker for the Dolph. And another blue refractor, O.J. Howard, Tampa Bay Buccaneers. I believe that is Penzito. Numbered at 99. Oh, it's Maddie. Nice, Maddie. Fred Warner. And we got a purple Prizm rookie, Duke Dawson, New England Patriots on the perp. This is a fun product. I love the Prizm. Numbered to 49 on the perp. Cortland Sutton. Hall of Fame. We got Brian Dawkins, Eagles. Orange die cut rookie, Deshaun Hand for the Lions. $2.49. 12 boxes is a full case. Naheem Hines, Cedric Wilson. Oh, look at this. We got gold. Gold. Instant Impact. Future Pimp Daddy. For the Lions, Kerryon Johnson. 8/10. So sick. Nice job, Johnny. And we got a green cracked ice auto Vita Vey for Tampa Bay. Maddie again. Yeah, it did. It looked really nice. 75 Tampa Bay. Vita Vey, Saquon Barkley. There he is. Yeah, I think it is 3 golds. That card is gold. Green, yellow. Aaron Jones for Green Bay. Of course, I don't know what they call these. 275. We got Carlton Davis, Dylan Cantrell. Might even be 4 golds. Maybe not. Instant Impact, Sam Darnold for the Jets. Sammy and the Jets. We have a red wave, Leonard Floyd for the Bears, Bobat. 149, Maddie. We got Denzel Ward, Sammy Cobbs Jr. Oh, did he really? And I don't know if this is cracked ice. Just looks like it. Rookie cracked ice. Luke Falk. Tennessee Titans. Rookie to 75. MJ Stewart. Ronald Jones II. Josh McCown. I signed him up at LA Fitness too. And we got Deshaun Hamilton, refractor auto for the Denver Broncos. Christopher Herndon, Kiki Kute, however you say it. We got a introductions, Calvin Ridley, Atlanta, future Pimp Daddy for sure. And we got a blue refractor die cut for the Cowboys, Sean Lee, 199, Stan's grandson. We got Luke Falk and Minka Fitzpatrick. We have an orange, nice one. Alvin Kamara for the Saints. Very nice. 249. Baker Mayfield. #1 draft pick. We got a rookie, yellow-green, Fred Warner for the 49ers. 275. We got Denzel Ward, Sammy Cobbs Jr., and going to Milkman, the opportunity for the Kid Reporter Super Bowl. There you go, Milk. You never know, Milk. You might win the chance. Oh, these are 75s. Alright, good luck, guys. Boy, you break a full case of this, that's a lot of hits. We got a blue die cut Cameron Brate, Tampa Bay. Bobats again. Getting nutty on us. Numbered to 199. Calvin Ridley, rookie. Arden Key. Rookie introductions, Rashad Penny, Seattle. Orange die cut for Jacksonville, Blake Bortles. 249, is that right? Yep, 249 for Jacksonville. We got Mason Rudolph rookie, John Kelly. And we got some points coming up. I want to make sure to cover the numbers. 400 points. Wow. That's a lot of points on that card. And we got Mike White, Josh Adams. And nice one. This kid's going to be great too. Carolina Panthers. Autograph. DJ Moore. Nice. That's a good kid right there. Wow, Penzito. Nice card, man. He's a stud, dude. Baker Mayfield rookie, Rashad Penny. And we got trifecta, Cam Newton, McCaffrey, DJ Moore. 249 die cut orange Frank Gore for the Dolphins. I like Frank Gore. We got Ronnie Harrison, Michael Gallup. Yellow, green, Jacoby Brissett for the Colts. Jacoby. $275. And Ray McLeod and Marquez Scantling. Dolphins auto transfer now. We got Jermaine Kearse for the Jets. Number to 275. We have the football jersey break in the store and the baseball jersey break in the store, guys. MJ Stewart, Ronald Jones. And Hall of Fame, Jim Kelly for the Buffalo Bills. Blue die cut, rookie Mark Walton for the Bengals. 2 left in O-Pee-Chee Platt. That is unbelievable that Vancouver's still there at $79, dude. $199. And they didn't even hit in yesterday's first half. No Bessers. We got a cracked ice Adam Vinatieri for the Colts. Number 75. Luke Falk, Fitzpatrick. Red Wave, Eric Weddle, Baltimore Ravens. $149. Billy Ferguson, Joshua Jackson. Instant Impact for the Lions, Kerryon Johnson. And we have a card I've never seen before. And it looks like some type of camouflage. Jordan Poyer. Buffalo Bills, number to 25. Blue camo, 14 of 25. Nick Chubb, Callaway. Leonard Fournette refractor. And refractor auto, Atlanta Falcons, Russell Gage. ATL. Traquan Smith, Rashawn Evans. All right, guys. You guys want me to do a little recap? I'm not putting these in any particular numbered order because I don't really have them memorized. Okay, these are those tie-dyed looking ones, $275. Ingram, Tucker, Baldwin, Aaron Jones, Fred Warner, Jacoby Brissett, and Jermaine Kearse. Oh, I bet, Milk. Yeah, I mean, there's so many hits, dude. Jeez. Christian McCaffrey, blue, $199. Royce Freeman, Sean Lee, Cameron Brate, Mark Walton. A lot of hits, man. Just in 3 boxes, there's tons of cards. Eric Weddle, Leonard Floyd, Eric Weddle. Double dip on the Weddle, like Ponage said. Green cracked ice, I guess. Luke Falk. These are $75. Adam Vinatieri. Orange die cut, $249. C.J. Mosley, Kalen Balaj, Deshaun Hand, Kamara, Blake Bortles, and Frank Gore. We got blue $299, Luke Kuechly, O.J. Howard, Tremaine Edmonds. Purple $249, Duke Dawson, Patriots. And this camo blue, I guess, $225, Jordan Poyer. And gold $10, instant impact, Kerryon Johnson for the Lions. That is sick. Then we got Harold Landry, Titans, Deshaun Hamilton, DJ Moore, Russell Cage, and the Green Wave, nice one $75, Denzel Ward for the Browns. Vita Vea, Tampa Bay, and a filthy Saquon Barkley, rookie jersey auto, number /99. And then we have the 400 points, which I need to random off right now. All right, let me get the computer ready. Get these little stacks out of the way. All 30 teams. Alright, we got list randomizer. And we need NFL. Here's NFL. Okay. Alright, guys. Okay, all 32 teams are in. Let's roll the dice. This is for the 400-point Panini points. Oops. Dice roll 3 or more, of course, as usual. Five times. All 32 in. Double check it. 5 times. Alright, good luck, guys. 1. Top person wins. 2. 3. 4. 5th and final. Going to the Buffalo Bills. Randomized 5 times. Buffalo. There you go, Buff. Alright, congrats, Buff. We'll get this uploaded. I'll try to get more football for next week. I will start growing the allocation slowly but surely again. I had it sky high at one point, but stopped doing those sports for a little bit. Should have kept them going. But that's okay. Start back up and get it growing again. Thank you, guys. Appreciate everybody. O-Pee-Chee Plat's only got 2 left, and we do have the football jersey break and the basketball, or football as well. Thanks, guys.